Next we are going to see about voice typing. For that, in the tool menu, select voice typing. Here it is inserted, click it to speak. Mathematics is a queen of science. It is typed here. It is typing here. And the next one is you can also convert the text image to normal text, that is identification of printed characteristics using photos, electric device or computer software. That technology is used to convert virtually any kind of images that may be handwritten or typed. For that, go to Drive. Here open the Drive, select the document you want to convert. Open with Google Docs. Loading. Here you can see that your texted document is printed here. You can copy this and you can use wherever you want in your document. If I want to share my work with my friends to complete that, also possible here. That is, many can work in the same file for separate spaces. For that, click here above share. In the share, you can enter your friends' mail IDs and you can work in the same pages. Here you can enter your friends' mail IDs and give done, so that many can work in same file. Now I am switching to suggestion mode. Now I am in the suggestion mode. Here I am going to remove this here. For that, select the word here and backspace. It will be striked here. If I want to enter any word, it will look like this different color. Your editing are displayed here like this. Now I am back switched into my editing mode. If editing mode, here you can see that suggestion you have made. If you want, you can change the suggestion. I am undoing all this work. If you want to type a lengthy word, you can use a shortcut. That work can be done by preference in the tool menu. Preference, choose substitution. Here I am typing MA. It can be replaced with mathematics. Wherever I type MA and enter space, it will automatically type it. If you want to translate, automatically type it. If you want to translate the selected passage, for that I am going to select for translation. I am selecting this passage. For that, in the toolbar, here I can see translate document. Choose the language you want to translate. I am going to translate in Tamil. Translate. Here you can see that your selected document is changed in this Tamil language. You can select that and you can reuse it in this document. We can also change our typing language. For that, in the file menu, choose this language which you want. You can select your language. Which language you like, you can select from here. You can check a grammar too. For that, select this, and in the tool menu you can see spelling and grammar check. Here the suggestion is having, if you want to ignore you can ignore, or you can accept. If you accept, it will automatically change it. If you want to ignore, it will ignore. If you want to give any suggestion, you can give. For that, select the word you want to give suggestion. Here you can see this icon, add suggestion, or you can see at the top, add suggestion. You can add your suggestion from here. Now you want to save the document, you can save it from here. In the file menu, you can download the document at any of this format.